Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Very nice to meet you again in this video. And of course, still with me, Alia Hanifah Meilasari. Okay, for this meeting, actually, we have a new discussion about grammar, especially simple past future tense. Oke guys, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas mengenai simple past future tense. We are going to discuss the simple past future tense by dividing into a few sections of that. The first material is definition, second is formula, third is function, and the last is example. Definition simple past future tense. Jadi, apakah simple past future tense itu? Jika diartikan, past adalah masa lampau dan future adalah masa depan. Lalu, bagaimanakah pengertian yang sebenarnya? Well, let's study it together. Simple past future tense is a tense used to express wishes that don't come true. Jadi, simple past future tense adalah sebuah tenses yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sebuah keinginan yang tidak terwujud atau sebuah rencana yang gagal. This form of tenses is used to express action that are both voluntary and planning to make prediction and make promise in the future in the past. Jadi, dikatakan past future tense karena si pelaku ini melakukan sesuatu di masa depan tapi gagal karena sesuatu hal di masa lalu. Formula of simple past future tense. Formula of simple past future tense. The past future tense formula is from past modal form will or shall, so it becomes would or should, and bar infinitive. Jadi, simple past future tense dibentuk dari bentuk kedua dari will dan shall, yaitu would and should and bar infinitive. Aside from the rule, the past future tense can also be formed from auxiliary verb. Be, am, is, are becomes was or were and present participle going to and bar infinitive. Past future dibentuk dari auxiliary verb be, was, were, present participle going and infinitive. Jadi terdapat dua rumus dasar yaitu would and bar infinitive, second was or were, going to and bar infinitive. Untuk lebih jelasnya, kita akan mempelajari tentang rumus simple past future tense dalam bentuk kalimat negatif, positif, dan interrogatif. Oke, first positive formula. Subject and should or would and bar infinitive. Second, subject and was or were and going to and bar infinitive. Example, I wish you would come to my house because today's my birthday. Second, Tasya was going to read a new book. Negative formula. Subject, would, not bar infinitive. Second, subject was or were, not, going to, and bar infinitive. Example, Mr. Joko would not speak English. Leah wasn't going to give two beautiful books to her friends. Interrogative formula. Should or would, subject, and bar infinitive. Was or were, subject, going to, and bar infinitive. Karena kalimat interrogatif, maka harus menggunakan tanda tanya. Example, would he forgive you? Was he going to read a magazine? Simple past future tense memiliki keterangan waktu. Antara lain adalah the day before, the month before, last week, yesterday, last year, the night before, and just now. The third material is functions of simple past future tense. Oke, berikut merupakan fungsi dari simple past future tense. The first function is suggest an activity that would have happened in the past but it didn't. Second, shaping a more polite question. Third, to create conditional sentence type 2. The fourth function is to declare a voluntary action. 5. To be used to make promise or would. And the last, to suggest something. The last section is example of simple past future tense. First example, I would treat you to watch a movie if I won the game. Saya akan menraktirmu nonton film jika saya menang game. Second, last week I would like to visit you, but the weather was so bad. Minggu lalu kami ingin mengunjungimu, tapi cuacanya sangat buruk. I would not break my promise to marry you if you didn't cheat me about your past. Aku tidak akan mengingkari janjiku untuk menikahimu jika kamu tidak membohongiku tentang masa lalu. Spartan would win the war if there was no turncoat. Pasukan Spartan akan menang dalam perang jika tidak ada pengkhianat. Dari kedua contoh ini merupakan gambaran dari fungsi simple past future tense untuk menyatakan conditional type 2, sebuah kondisi di mana pengandaian bahwa sesuatu itu harusnya begini, namun we should study hard from the exam. Kita seharusnya belajar giat untuk ujian. They should be discussing their problem now. Mereka seharusnya mendiskusikan masalahnya sekarang. Would you read the book for me, please? Apakah Anda bisa membacakan buku untukku? Would you help me, please? Maukah kamu menolongku? They thought that day we are going to visit Lombok. She promised she would give me a box of strawberry cake. I thought she was going to enroll the course. Should they be discussing their problem now? Eva said that Leah would pick me up. And we have come to the end of video. Thank you for watching and see you in the other video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.